welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tami, and by the title of the video you already know I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade protein shake. Now if you guys didn't know already, you know I'm into fitness. I'm a fitness instructor, and right now I see a lot of people who want to get fit, get active, you know, start eat healthy. So this is just a simple way how you can do that by using the ingredients in your house. Before we get into the video, let me just do my subscribers and supporters shout out. This is the name of their channel. Go on over, subscribe to them, you know, show them some love, make them know that Tami sent you. The first person is, well, they are actually a couple, Kenny and Shella. Now Kenny and Shella is a lesbian couple, and they have been supporting me from day one. Pick up on themselves, they love or no. They do relationship discussion, advice, story times, and vlogs. Go on over and subscribe to their channel and let them know that Tami sent you. The next person is Petite Nardia. She does makeup challenges, funny videos, and vlogs. Go on over, subscribe to her channel, and let her know that Tami sent you. The next person is Queen Vanny. Now she does vlogs, story time, and mukbang. So go on over, subscribe to her channel, like up her stuff, you know, watch her videos and everything. Next person is Nessa and Chev. Now Nessa and Chev, they have been supporting me. They are also a lesbian couple, and they do pranks, story time, and vlogs. Pick up on yourself. You don't know? Yeah. The final person is Katie Seal Unplug. Katie, come up with that name there. Come up very strong. She does travel vlogs, food preparation, pranks, and more. All the persons that I've mentioned, just go on over, subscribe to their channel, and let them know that Tami sent you.
Okay guys, so these are the ingredients that I will be using for my protein shake today. As you can see, I have my Nature Valley crunchy oats and honey. That's the one I'm using. And I have my ripe banana. I already peeled the banana because me just did like start make the shake, and then me Jesus me did fi do a shake tutorial on this because my followers on IG have been asking me about my protein shake, when me use and when me put it in it, and so me just like did already do that. And I'm also using cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg. These are optional, you know, but me always use them. Oats, Quaker oats. Yes, this is not a paid promotion. Peanut butter and milk. Milk are your choice. You can use like almond milk or whichever milk you use. I agree with your 2%, but this one is a fat free. So yeah, let's get started. So first thing first, make sure you have your blender. I have my little mini blender right here. You can use a big one. Then take your banana, break it up in. Banana first. I use the whole of banana. Get your oats and honey Nature Valley. So I use one. Your peanut butter. Peanut butter, like, it's so good and it's so bad, you know. This is about a tablespoon. Then you get your nutmeg. Just a dash. Cinnamon. A dash of that too. Oats. Use 3 tablespoons of oats. Then for the liquid now, get your milk. As I say, you can use the milk of your choice, but I'm using this amount. And then you use like your vanilla. Full of vanilla. So turn up the essence, you know, and all you go with it. Yeah. Then finally you get some ice. Remember also, if you want to sweeten this, you can use honey or maybe a little bit of brown sugar, but if you just want it as it is, because my banana like almost overripe, so it's naturally sweet, so you can just drink it like this. Alright, now you blend. It well smooth, you blend it out some more, or if you like it as it is, you can do that too. But for me, I like when it's smooth, so I'm gonna blend it out for maybe like a minute more or so. But yeah. This is how it's looking. That's your protein shake right there, all homemade. So guys, if you want to get even into fitness and stuff, you know, you want to try eat more healthy and all of that, you can just do this for breakfast in the morning, or you can do it for like a lunch, a little snack, and yeah, it's good for boost your immune system, just give it your body that natural boost that you need. You know, some people I feel like lift on coffee and so in the morning, or Red Bull and all of them things there. But this is the way to go. You know, you can mix it up. You can try different fruits. You can try different milk, different grains and stuff. But you know, just have fun with it, and yeah.
I just want to say thank you all so much for watching this video. I truly do appreciate the support. If you guys watch my video to the end, for all the new YouTubers coming in, big up on yourselves. This is a journey, but make sure to just enjoy it as I go along. And there's so much to learn, and I can honestly say like every video when I do, I feel like it gets better and better with editing and everything. That is so good when you can learn that on your own. You know how to correct your mistakes. And pick up the people in the comments where we tell you, say, if your audio low, or you know you can do this, you can do that. Just any local thing or suggestion to make your videos better. Don't take that as like them try to bring you down or anything like that. They just want to see you get better, and they know you can do it. So sometimes when you watch your videos, you don't really see the faults or things that can improve, but if somebody else point it out to you, maybe sometimes they don't necessarily take it in the comments. They will like DM you one way and make you know. So them people there, you have to like big them up and know, say everything where them and do or say is just because they want to see you grow and get better. So guys, I just want to say thank you all so much for all the support, all the comments, all the feedback. I definitely appreciate it, and I'm just going to continue to give you guys great content to make you just want to keep watching and just look out for the next one. If you haven't turned on your post notification bell as yet, please do that, and you know, share it with a friend and so big up on yourself. Enough love, peace, blessings, and guidance. Yeah.